Hi, welcome to another review by refrigerator-reviews-ratings.com. This is a review of the M1TXEGMYW Maytag refrigerator. All the information is summarized for you here in the 5 color-coded boxes. We'll go through more of the specifics below. The price level for this refrigerator in the first box is $44 per cubic foot. It costs about $25 less per cubic foot than the average new refrigerator on the market, so that gets our best rating. The features, that has 5 of those key items and features that we'll go through below. It gets a fair or below average rating. Energy usage has 410 kilowatt hours annually. That is slightly better than average. It uses about 19% less electricity, and it gets a best rating for that category. The water and ice features, it has 1 of those key items. We'll go through those below, and that gets a fair rating. The warranty of the fridge is 1 year parts, 1 year labor for the sealed refrigeration system. It's a basic 1 year parts and labor warranty, so it gets an average or good rating. In the general ratings, it has a manufacturer suggested retail price of $899. The MSRP is about 44% lower than average of new fridges and ranks in the top 20%. It is Energy Star qualified and it is currently available. Size and style ratings, it is 20.6 cubic foot capacity, 14.5 feet of fresh space, 6.2 feet of freezer space. In the water and ice ratings, it has an ice maker included. Fresh food ratings, it does have a humidity controlled crisper, gives you flexibility for preserving your fruits or vegetables or whatever you'd like to put in there. You can adjust that humidity. In the convenience ratings, it does have your typical gallon door bins, glass shelves, and automatic defrost. We do have over 1,800 other refrigerators on the website, or if you'd like to come see more information about this Maytag refrigerator, come to our homepage, refrigerator-reviews-ratings.com. We have some of the best values on the market summarized there for you. Also on the left-hand side, you're able to search for a fridge by type, by color, by brand, by size, by price, and also for discontinued models. We appreciate you taking a look at this review. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those for us. Thank you.